Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to school. How was your vacation? I hope you had fun. Well, today we'll be doing circle, and it's not really hard. This is not a really hard subject. In fact, this is like quite easy. All right, so let's start with this one. So this is a circle. At least the blue line is a circle. Okay, and it has a center point, which is the centermost point of the circle, and let's name that point A. So normally if you have a circle, or if you have a center with a name of a letter, and in this case our letter is A, we normally call that circle A. So in the next few days where we'll be discussing about circles, we'll be naming the circles in terms of the center point. Okay, so this is circle A. Okay, so pick a point on the circle, meaning a point on the blue line. Let's call that point B and C, D. Okay, so these letters, okay, points B, C, D, E, F, G, these are points on the circle. Okay, right, so just imagine black dots along the blue lines, and those dots are points, and each point has. Okay, so this is our circle. Okay, let's learn about what a diameter is. Okay. Alright, so line GD, okay, from these points, G and D, they're connected by a line. These 2 points are points on the circle, okay, so that is important. Points on the circle, and they pass through the center. So if you draw a line from G to D, and it passes through A, it's a straight line, that is called a diameter, okay. A diameter, okay, a circle has many diameters. All diameters of the same circle are equal in length. Okay, so let's say we have FC. Since F and C both passes the center point A, and they're both on the circle, that is also a diameter. So FC is the same length as GD. So is BE or EB. Okay, so these are all diameters. And of course, you can pick any other points on the circle, and if you draw a straight line through the center, that's also diameter. Okay, what about radius? What is a radius? Okay, let's pick this point, GA, line GA, where G is a point on the circle, and to the center of the circle, which is A, that is the radius. Okay, from one point on the circle to the center of the circle, that is called the radius. Okay. A circle has many radii. Radii is the plural form of radius. Okay. And all the length of the radii or radius are also equal. Okay. What is the relationship between radius and diameter? Okay. In this point, FA, what is FA? Since F is a point on the circle and A is the center and there's a line connecting them, that line FA is called the radius. Okay. And how about CA? Okay. Let's forget about FA first. Look at CA. C is a point on a circle, and a line connects C to A, which is the center. That's also radius. Therefore, FA and CA are both radius or radii. Okay, and they are equal in length. Now, how about the line FC? As you can see, F and C, points F and C are points on the circle. And if you connect those lines, they pass through, if you connect those points, they pass through the center A, so that is also called the diameter. As you can see, FA plus FA plus CA are two radii, that constitutes a diameter. Okay, so 2 radii is equal to a diameter. Meaning if your radius is 5, therefore your diameter is 10. If your diameter is 20, and therefore your radius is half of 20, which is 10. Okay. Alright, let's try some exercise. Okay, so this is a circle. with this is circle A with some points along the circle. Okay, so we have that AC. If CA or AC is 5 centimeter, what is the radius of circle A? Okay, since as you can see from the circle, from this figure, AC or CA is a radius. Okay, so if AC is given as 5, therefore the radius of the circle is 5 cm. Okay, what is the length of GA? Alright, look at GA. Line GA is also a radius, therefore GA should also be equal to CA because they're both radii. Alright, so that's also 5. What is the length of DA? DA is also a radius, so therefore that is also 5 centimeter. Then what is the length of the diameter? Okay, so in this figure, our diameter is GD, and GD is equal to the diameter, which is equal to 2 times the radius. And if your radius is 5, therefore your diameter is 10. Okay, let's try another one. Alright. Okay, so GD is a diameter because G and D are points on the circle and the line passes through center A. Okay, so GD passes through A and G and D are points on the circle. Okay, now the question is, look at that line FC. Why is FC not a diameter? Since F and C are points on the circle and there's a line connecting them, why is it not a diameter? And the reason for that is because it did not pass through point A. It did not pass through the center. So that's really important for you to remember that diameters are a diameter is consisted of 2 points on the circle and there's a line connecting those 2 points, but that line should pass the center. Okay, how about this? Points E and B. Alright, so we have a line EB. The question is, why is EB not a diameter? As you can see, E is a point on the circle, but B is not a point on the circle, and also it did not pass through point A. So therefore, EB is not a diameter of circle A. Alright, there's another one. Points H and J. Okay, the question is, why is HJ not a diameter? As you can see, H is a point on the circle. The line HJ passes through the center A. However, J is not a point on the circle. It's inside the circle, not the circle itself. Okay? Alright, so please bring your exercise, what's this? Please bring your extra practice and test books tomorrow.